We can see my bike's clutch cable is already broken. I am going to replace its clutch cable. This is the end portion of clutch cable. It have a little lock. For removing cable, first we need to unlock it. I am using a screwdriver for unlocking. After unlocking, push forward for remove cable from clutch weight. And remove its rubber cover. Unscrew this nut for remove cable from bike. Just pull back for removing clutch lever cover. We can see my clutch cable is broken here. Next, rotate this nut anti-clock direction for removing clutch cable from clutch lever. In this position, we can easily remove clutch cable. After that, just pull up old cable and remove. This is our old broken cable. I am going to fixing this new cable to my bike. First I am inserting this new cable into my bike. This is the right position for inserting clutch cable. Otherwise, cable has chance to become tight. Cable inserted successfully. Next, going to inserting one end of clutch cable to clutch lever. After inserting cable, rotate this nut clockwise direction for tightening. After inserting cable, refix lever cover. Next, go to clutch side of vehicle. Insert cable though it's rubber clip. Need to insert this cable though this aluminum hole. So remove its rubber cover and one of its nut. After inserting, we need to insert clutch cable end to this clutch weight lever. So fully loosen this nut for easily inserting. After that, refix its nut and rubber cover. Next, inserting cable end to clutch weight lever. Pull forward clutch weight lever by using a plier. Inserting clutch cable end into clutch weight lever. Just locking this cable by using a screwdriver. Using these two nuts for adjusting clutch. Next I am going to adjusting my clutch. For increasing clutch, rotate this nut right side. If you want to decrease clutch, turn back this nut by rotating left side. Next, I am going to check my clutch. This is free play position. Clutch load starting from this position. Okay, now clutch is very smooth and proper position. So next I am going to tighten clutch cable nuts. Using two spanner for tightening these nuts. Otherwise, chance to decrease clutch automatically. Again, I am checking my clutch. It working properly.